Beautiful, healthy skin starts on the inside. Many of us live in inflammatory states which show up on our skin as wrinkles, dullness, acne, dryness, discoloration, and rashes. It is very important to understand that your lifestyle is the largest factor in your body's relationship with inflammation. Your home environment, your work, your relationships all have fingers on the dial of your health and well-being. If you want healthier looking and functioning skin, you have to tend to how you respond to the world around you. Modern living bombards us with the following inflammation-causing factors: medications, tobacco products, daily chemical exposure to dryer sheets, household cleaning products, paints, and some skincare product ingredients. So let's clean it up to look and feel great. Your skin will look amazing, especially if you add the right skincare products with it. Here are some cleansing tips to decrease inflammation. Number 1, mental cleanse to de-stress. Commit to a deep breathing practice at least once a day, but more is better, to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system or the rest and digest system. This will lower your blood pressure and cortisol response. Instructions: inhale as deeply as you can into the abdominal cavity for 6 counts, then hold your breath for 18 to 24 counts, then exhale all the air completely in 12 counts. Repeat this 10 times. Commit to sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night. Every day, list things that you're grateful for in your life. Be kind to yourself and others. Be conscious of your thoughts. Notice when you feel yourself going into a negative state and say to yourself, "Thank you for sharing, but stop." Number 2, the lymphatic system. The lymph system not only cleans toxins and debris from the blood, it also is a huge part of your immune system. Dry brush your skin prior to showering. Bounce on a ball or a rebounder for 5 to 10 minutes per day. Number 3, do a dietary cleanse. Eat for cellular vitality. 75% or more of your diet should be plant-based, so when preparing your plate, visualize it in quarters. Drink at least 80 ounces of purified water daily. Add lemon or Celtic sea salt for electrolytes. Number 4, skin cleanse. For skin repair, health, and renewal, use the topical vitamin A agent retinaldehyde in our Vital A serum, peptides and growth factors in our biopeptide serum, and vitamin C in our C Radiance Moisturizer or Vital C serum. Follow this for a few weeks and watch your skin glow with health and vitality.